Hey, it's me, Kathy. I got a bunch of stuff from Misfits Market. I got beets, I have blueberries, I have some blueberry and thyme goat cheese, I have baby spinach, and today we're gonna make a beet salad with goat cheese and blueberries, and I also am gonna toast and, well, first we're gonna spice them and candy them, pecans, and we're gonna do that first, so let's do it. Okay, to candy these pecans, the first thing we need is some sugar. I'm not gonna do too many. Okay, some sugar and some nutmeg. Some cinnamon. A little clove. Some salt and pepper. And just for a little touch of something at the end, we're gonna do a little cayenne pepper. Okay, so we're gonna mix these together. And in this bowl, we're going to beat an egg white. And that's a nice healthy way to make these pecans. We've separated our egg. This is the white. Kelly just ate the yolk. She likes it. We're gonna beat this up till it's nice and frothy. Okay, frothy. Now pecans. I don't have a whole lot of beets, so this is going to be not a big amount of salad. Although these are kind of good to snack on. And you really don't need that much egg whites to coat these. We're going to get in there. And now we're going to toss them in our sugar and spice mixture. More. Make sure they're all well coated. So we're going to spread on a nice single layer on the baking sheet lined with parchment. And if some of them do, connect with each other, stay together, they will stick together, but you can break them apart when they're done. So now they're going to go into a slow oven, 275 for probably 45 minutes. Until they're ready to come out and go on our salad. And next thing we're going to do is make our dressing. Our dressing is going to be a lemon thyme vinaigrette. So we have some lemons, and I have my very cool juicer, so nobody gets any seeds. And you pop the lemon in the juicer, and you press down, and a little cup below catches all the fresh lemon juice. And the seeds, and we have some nice fresh lemon juice for our salad dressing. Okay, we got a little mixing bowl here. We are going to throw in our lemon juice, and sorry about my arm, I have some fresh thyme from my garden, and we don't need to use all of this, but yeah, let's do it. Okay, so that's that. Some salt and pepper. And a little bit of white balsamic. Come on, baby. Throw that in. And now we need some Dijon mustard. This will emulsify our dressing. I'm going to use all I have. And to reduce the tang just a little bit, you don't have to if you don't want to. I like it a little sweet, so I'm going to squeeze in some honey. My honey's starting to coagulate, so. And this is probably going to be our dressing. Maybe I should have done this in a jar. And now it's time for our olive oil. We're going to pour that in a nice steady stream while we whisk. You may notice I put a wet paper towel underneath this bowl to keep it from sliding around so I can whisk and pour at the same time. All right, we're done with our oil, and we are nicely emulsified, and it is tangy and lemony and delicious. And now we're going to give them a good scrub. Beets are grown in the ground, so they can be dirty. So we're going to Rub them up. And now we're going to cut off the tops and the little pointy bottoms. Okay, ready to bake them. We're going to take each one of our beets and we're going to wrap them in a piece of foil very loosely, but before we do that, we're going to just drizzle a little olive oil and a pinch of salt and pepper and wrap them up loosely so they're fully enclosed but not too tight. And we're going to repeat that with the other ones, and then we're going to bake. Our beets are ready to go into the oven. We're going to put them in at 375, which I've been preheating while we were prepping them. And I'm going to time these for about 45 minutes and see how we do. Our beets are out of the oven. They took an hour, and we're going to test this big one. You test it like a baked potato. You just insert the knife, it slides in and slides out. It's done. When you roast beets the way we did, it makes them really easy to peel. And especially since we cut the ends off, the edges are just exposed, and you just, all you have to do is run your hand along the line and the skins come right off. And if you run into any resistance, you can use a paper towel. And here are the beets we roasted, and I cut them into bite-sized pieces, and now we're going to build our salad. Okay, we have my favorite salad bowl and some organic spinach from Misfits Market. We're going to put that in there. And then we're going to add our beets. Toss it to see if it's a good mix. Then we're going to dress this guy and toss it again. Make sure the beets and the spinach are well coated. All tossed together and shrunk up a bit, but that's okay. This is a big bowl. And like I said, we didn't have a whole lot of stuff. So anywho, the next thing we're going to do is top with some of our organic blueberries. Color, sweetness, flavor, and they're really nice. These came from Misfits Market as well. I bought this blueberry lemon thyme goat cheese from Misfits Market, and that's what's going on next. Okay, I've crumbled up the goat cheese, and it is so good. I can't even tell you. I wish I could put some through the lens and give it to you, because that's going to be the rest of this is going to be my snack tonight. And the nuts are almost ready. As you can see, our spiced pecans are now out of the oven. And we'll pop them all on top. They're going to be the best part of the salad. They are, that cayenne really comes through. And that's going to be very good with the sweetness of the goat cheese and the blueberries. And I probably should have put the goat cheese on top. Let's just do a little bit of Introducing our golden beet spinach salad with blueberries, blueberry lemon thyme goat cheese, and a lemon thyme vinaigrette and spice toasted pecans. It's going to be so good. I can't wait to eat it for dinner, and I hope you make it, and I hope you like it. Look how pretty it is. Colorful. Thank you for joining me while I played with lots of produce and cheese from Misfits Market. And I had a lot of fun, and I hope you have a lot of fun. You know, you don't have to use golden beets. You can use red beets. You can, any kind of cheese, feta, whatever. That lemon thyme vinaigrette is very good. The recipe will be on the website, and you can use that for any kind of salad you want. And it's been great. Having fun playing with you. So, bye.